Alrighty, Hayes and Chad here. Another time with Hanging with Hayes. We're going on a cool bike ride. Let's look at Hayes' cool freaking gloves he has on. Look at this. Okay, let's turn the camera, buddy. Hold on, how do I do this? Alrighty, guys. We're going on another adventure today with Hayes. We're riding our bikes. Okay, hanging with Hayes. Let's do it. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. We got to check out Hayes' cool gloves he has on today. Dinosaurs. Roar, roar, roar. All right, dude. Let's do it. Okay, following you, man. Hey, today Hayes said we're gonna ride over to the cool pinwheel. There's a big freaking windmill over here we're gonna find. Is that right, Hayes? You gonna show it? All right, dude, how far away is it still? A couple minutes? Okay, just up the street? All right, cool. Let's do it. I don't see it anywhere. Where's it at? I still don't see the pinwheel. Where is it? Okay, Hayes just said he found it. He found the windmill pinwheel. Where's it at? Over there. Over there? Oh my gosh! There it is! I wonder if we can get closer. Let's go try to get closer. Whoop, whoop. Holy cow. Hayes found the windmill. Check this out. There's Hayes. And it goes all the way up, 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 up. What the heck? That sucker's so tall. It's spinning. It's kind of breezy out here. Hayes, how tall do you think that is? 100 freaking feet? Oh my gosh. Let's look it up. Whoa! Alrighty. Okay, we saw the pinwheel with Hayes. Hey, awesome. Where to next? Golf course. Let's go. Oh, Hayes found some leaves to crunch. Okay, Hayes found another crazy hill to go down. Let's see how he does it. All right, buddy, go. Whoa! You clear? Go! Boom! Boom, boom, boom! Up the hill! Man, Hayes found another hill. All right, let's see this. Oh man, oh, he's hauling. Whoa! Oh man, I can't get around Hayes. He's not letting me pass him. He's going too freaking fast. Hey, get over here. Let me around, let me around. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I got on the side.